beautifully maintained and move-in ready, this spacious 4-bedroom home in Hunter's Ridge features thoughtful updates and exceptional bonus spaces. The first floor offers an inviting living area with a custom fireplace accent, updated tile flooring, modern lighting, and granite kitchen counters. Roof, flooring, and several fixtures are under 4 years old. The primary suite is conveniently located downstairs, while the second floor includes 3 generous bedrooms and a flexible game room. A standout feature is the 14x20 powered workshop with epoxy flooring. The attached garage also has epoxy floors, a mini-split AC, and a generator connection. The backyard includes a storage building, extended concrete areas, and plenty of room to entertain. Located near schools, shopping, and major freeways, this home offers comfort, functionality, and upgrades not often found in the area.